Here I have Samsung Galaxy A5 2017 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning let's unlock the screen, find and select the settings. Here let's choose the wallpapers and themes. And here you can use the wallpaper from your gallery. Here you should find your gallery, your albums. You can also use the following searcher of the wallpaper. Or you can use some wallpaper from the Samsung gallery. So for example, in my case, let me use the following one. Let's choose set as wallpaper, and wallpaper applied to a lock screen. You may also check out here the themes, icons, and the always on display options right here. So that's it. As you can see right now, I've got a new wallpaper on my lock screen. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.